Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, today's video I will be showing you how I use this hair growth ingredients on my hair. So I have onions, I have ginger, this is ginger also, and then I have carrots. So I have carrot in here, and I also have garlic, so which is good for our hair growth. So now I'm just going to cut my onions into little pieces. So I'm going to blend I'm going to blend everything together. So I'm just going to cut it, then I will put it inside this my blender. Then I'm going to blend everything. You can use your grater to grate this if you want. You can also grate it or you blend it. So I'm just going to cut the ginger. You can also remove the skin of the ginger if you want. So if you don't, just use it like this, it's also going to be fine. So I'm just going to cut the ginger into little pieces, as you can see me doing right here. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my new video. So guys, here is the carrot. I'm just going to also cut the carrot into little pieces. You can also grate all these ingredients if you don't want to blend it. You can grate it if you want. So to cut the whole process short, so I decided to blend it. That is why I am blending it. So guys, the benefit of these ingredients is to stimulate hair growth and also promote our hair from growing. So everything I'm using here have one way or the other to contribute to our hair growth. Like onions is good to for our hair grow. Onion have sulfur, which also support strong and thick hair. So it also prevents hair from losing and also promotes hair growth. So sulfur is good for our hair. It also helps to promote collagen production, and also collagen also in turn help to produce healthy skin cell, and that also going to promote our hair growth. So garlic also is also good for our hair. It also have a lot of benefits that can cure damaged hair, like damaged scalp, and also repair our hair, our scalp, and also promote hair growth. It's rich in vitamin C, and that is so great to promote our hair growth also. And also it also have a property that boosts collagen production, that also help to stimulate hair growth. So guys, I'm going to add all my oil, that I'm going to add coconut oil to cook this. You can use any oil of your choice to cook. If you like olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil, or any light oil that you like, you can use it to cook um this hair growth product. So now guys, it's also good for our health. Ginger is so good for our health. Ginger increase the scalp circulation. So ginger also helps to stimulate hair growth. It also help the scalp circulation, that result the flow of blood in the scalp. It also eliminate the it also stimulate the hair follicles and encourage new growth. So the fatty acid in ginger are so good for our hair to grow very fast. So guys, you can use any oil that you want to use. So I'm using coconut. I have already added my sweet almond oil. Now I'm going to add olive oil to cook this egg roll ingredients that I have in my pot. Okay, so I'm going to be adding everything inside, and I'm going to bring it to cook so that everything can release their nutrient inside the oil. Okay, this is going to be so good for hair grow, like everything, like it's going to solve all your health problem, like shedding, like breakage, like damaged scalp, damaged hair, anything that you are experiencing, just try this hair growth remedy, like it's going to solve all your problem. So now I'm just going to mix the oil with the ingredients that I have there, then I will just put it on the gas to cook for some minutes. So I'm just going to allow it to cook so that the everything can release their nutrient inside the oil. This is how it's looking like. I was just even thinking of putting maggi and making stew out of this ingredients because we're looking so yummy like I was thinking of doing that too. Just let me just stop this video. I've turned this thing into stew. So guys, this is how it's looking like now. It's time for me to just bring it down and strain out the oil. As you can see, everything have already released their nutrient inside the oil. This is how it's looking like now my oil is ready to use. Okay guys, now let's go and strain out the oil inside this ingredients. So guys, here I am trying to strain out the oil. As you can see, I'm just straining out everything inside my strainer to get out all the oils. So guys, now I'm going to add my castor oil. So I'm going to add castor oil inside the oil now. I'm also going to add my vegetable glycerin inside also to boost the hair growth, to add moisture and all that good stuff inside the oil. So you can add anything that you want to add from now. You can just put everything inside guys. So now I'm just going to mix everything together. I'm going to mix, then I will just set it aside. So we are going to be making a butter out of this without using shea butter or cocoa butter or any other butter. We are just going to be using this only. Okay, now I put it in the fridge for some hours. So now this is how it's looking like. I'm just going to use my hand mixer, then I will mix it to the perfect consistency that I am looking for. So guys, now my carrot, ginger, garlic, onions, butter is ready for me to use. So I'm just going to transfer into this container. Then we are going to use it on our hair just like that. So this is like the smell of garlic is inside this product, so I will be using it as a pre-poo treatment because of the smell of garlic. If you don't like the smell of garlic, you can just do without the garlic, just remove the garlic and do with the rest ingredients if you don't like that strong smell of garlic. So that's why I will be using this as a pre shampoo treatment before I shampoo my hair, so which is so good, like it's so good, so penetrating, and it's so moisturizing, leave my hair soft, shine, and all that good stuff. So now I'm just going to, this is how my butter is looking like now. So you can use this as a pre-poo treatment anyhow you want to use it for. So now we are just going to the bathroom to make use of this beautiful homemade butter. So guys, yeah, I'm just trying to show you guys how I will use it on my hair as a pre-poo. I just take down my protective style, which I used the Africa Best and super glue. I use it, the video is on my channel, so I will leave the link at the description box below. Just go and check it out, you are going to love it. So here is my butter now, so I'm just going to take that amount of it, then I will just put it on my hair. I've already put water on my hair. My hair is a little bit damp, not that wet, so I'm just going to use this butter now as a pre-poo treatment to prepare my hair for shampoo, which is so good, guys. I'm going to leave it, I will leave it in on I will leave it in overnight, then the next day I will just wash my hair, then everything will be fine. So guys, if you watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber, and turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my new video. So guys, this is how I make my carrot, ginger, garlic butter for my pre-poo. If you don't have the strength like to go and be mixing it into a butter, you can also use it as oil just like that on your hair. That also will be fine also. So if you want it to be more creamy, like you need that kind of creamy consistency powder for your pre-poo, so I will advise you just whip it and just make it a butter, then it's going to work well on your hair. So that is it, guys. That is how I make my pre-poo butter for my hair, and it's so good, guys. So it works so well, benefit to my hair and my scalp with these great ingredients that I use. So guys, carrot is one of my favorite hair product that I use because of the color. So the benefit is contain two vital vitamin, guys, like vitamin C and vitamin E, that can also boost our hair growth, like keep our hair thicker. And guys, carrot is so good for our hair growth, like ginger. All these ingredients that I use are so good for our hair growth. You can also use carrot juice. If you don't want to use the oil, you can just make your fresh carrot juice and just mix it up with some oils, then I just spray it on your hair, and your hair is going to grow really well, and it's going to be so beneficial to our hair. It also helps to quicker the way for your hair to grow, like grow your hair so long, shiny. It also lock in shine and also benefit a lot to our hair and also to our scalp. That's the reason why I love carrot so much. Like carrot is so good for our hair also. Like all these ingredients, they are so good. They boost hair growth, boost collagen production to our scalp, that helps to stimulate our growth. They also heal our scalp from damaging, like prevent our scalp from damaging, like preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. Like guys, this is so good for our hair. Just make yours and just give it a try. Like everything is going to be fine with your hair. All your hair problem is going to be solved. Like no more damaged hair, no more damaged scalp, no more slow to grow, no more itching scalp. Everything is just going to be fine. The sofa is so in onions is so beneficial, that can promote your hair growth, that can boost your collagen production. Guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye and stay safe.